Scientists have made a worrying discovery in Antarctica. They have been meticulously studying the ice and have come across some alarming evidence. They have found evidence of rapid melting events that happened millions of years ago, which were previously unknown to us. This melting took place around 20 million years in the past, during a period when the Earth's climate was significantly different from today. The discovery is concerning because it shows that the Antarctic ice sheet is more vulnerable than we thought. This vulnerability could have serious implications for our current climate. The research focused on a time when the Earth was warmer than it is today. This period of warmth led to significant changes in the ice sheets. Only the Antarctic ice sheet existed during that period, making it a unique and crucial subject of study for scientists. By studying this ancient ice, scientists can learn about how it responded to climate change. This can provide valuable insights into the mechanisms of ice melt and climate interactions. This information is important for understanding the future of Antarctica. As we face a warming planet, knowing how the ice sheet reacted in the past can help us predict and possibly mitigate future changes. The findings underscore the importance of continued research and monitoring of the Antarctic ice sheet. It is a critical component of our global climate system, and its stability is vital for the future of our planet. The Earth's orbit around the Sun is not perfectly round. Instead, it follows an elliptical path, which means that the distance between the Earth and the Sun changes throughout the year. Over thousands of years, the shape of this orbit changes due to gravitational influences from other planets and the Sun itself. This phenomenon is known as orbital eccentricity. These changes in the Earth's orbit affect how much sunlight reaches different parts of the Earth. When the Earth is closer to the Sun, it receives more solar energy, and when it is farther away, it receives less. The shape of the Earth's orbit has a significant impact on the Antarctic ice sheet. Variations in sunlight can lead to changes in temperature and weather patterns, which in turn affect the ice. When the Earth's orbit is more elliptical, the planet experiences more extreme seasons. Summers become hotter and winters become colder, leading to greater temperature fluctuations. These extreme seasonal changes can lead to periods of rapid melting in Antarctica. Warmer summers cause more ice to melt, while colder winters may not be enough to compensate for the loss. On the other hand, when the Earth's orbit becomes more circular, the climate tends to be more stable. This means that the differences between summer and winter temperatures are less extreme. This stability allows the Antarctic ice sheet to grow as the cooler, more consistent temperatures favor ice accumulation over melting. Understanding these orbital changes is crucial for predicting future climate patterns and their impact on our planet. The new research provides a glimpse into the future of Antarctica, a land of ice and mystery that holds crucial clues about our planet's climate. It suggests that the ice sheet is highly sensitive to changes in climate, reacting swiftly to even minor shifts in temperature. If the Earth continues to warm at its current rate, we could see rapid melting in Antarctica once again, a phenomenon that has occurred in the past and could have dire consequences for the future. The melting of the Antarctic ice sheet would have devastating consequences for the planet, affecting not just the polar regions but ecosystems and human communities worldwide. It would lead to a significant rise in sea levels, submerging coastal cities and eroding shorelines, transforming the geography of our world. This would displace millions of people living in coastal areas, forcing them to leave their homes and seek refuge elsewhere, creating a humanitarian crisis. The melting ice would also disrupt ocean currents and weather patterns around the world, leading to more frequent and severe storms, unpredictable weather, and long-term changes in climate that could affect agriculture, water supplies, and biodiversity. Section 4. Fossil shells. Tell a story. Scientists used a clever method to study the ancient melting events in Antarctica. They looked at tiny fossils called Foraminifera. These microscopic creatures live in the ocean. Their shells record information about the environment they lived in. By analyzing the chemistry of foraminifera shells, scientists can reconstruct past climate conditions. They can tell how warm the ocean was and how much ice was present on Earth. This information helps to build a picture of Antarctica's climate history. Section 5. Climate action is critical. The discovery of rapid melting events in Antarctica's past is a stark warning. It shows us that the ice sheet is not as stable as we once thought. Climate change is a real and present danger to Antarctica and the entire planet. We must take urgent action to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and limit global warming. If we fail to act, we risk triggering irreversible changes to the Earth's climate system. This will have catastrophic consequences for all living things.